Now, we have a lot of tools, we have a lot of things on Builderall. I'm gonna show you every single tool, right? I'm gonna explain you every single tool. I can show you because that's gonna take like 5 hours webinar. But the cool thing is you can actually build your dashboard with the tools you wanna use, okay? So for example, let's open the dashboard right here. And every single new user on Builderall, he's gonna come to this page, right? And here you have all the tools that you have on Builderall. So as you can see, I have all the tools installed on my dashboard, right? But probably you're not gonna see like that. Probably you wanna see something like that. Let me remove this tool. Here's one, okay. All right, let me find the app builder here, app builder. Mm-hmm. Okay, app creator here, right? So you will see the tools like this. And then if you wanna add this tool to your dashboard, you just wanna click add. It's going to load, and boom, it's on your dashboard already, right? So what do we have in Builderall right now? What are the tools that we have on Builderall? We have the Pixel Perfect. The Pixel Perfect is one of the most advanced website creators you ever saw. It's easy, has a lot of features. You have parallax, you have scroll animation, you can work with videos, images, you can edit images. It is a real drag and drop where you actually can drag and drop things anywhere in the page, and it's gonna be there, right? So this is really, really cool. It's not responsive because we choose to not be responsive, and we choose to do something that you're gonna have a perfect version of your website for desktop, for tablets, and for smartphones, right? So it's not responsive, it's adaptive. So the Pixel Perfect Builder, once you try to build your pages on our Pixel Perfect, you will never more use any other thing because it's really, really cool, gives you all the freedom you need to work on your pages, websites, and all those things. Now, this is very important. It's not just a page builder, right? It's a website builder. You have different features, you have different stuff. It is way more powerful, and well, that's it. So try it. Our Pixel Perfect is one of the most advanced site builders ever, all right? Then we have the Canvas Funnel Builder. I'm gonna show you some good stuff here, just talking about the tools. Now, the Canvas Funnel Builder, only Builderall has this tool, all right? This is something that you are going to use to create your funnels with a blueprint, right? So you're gonna create a blueprint on the screen, and as you create the blueprint, the system is going to create the website for you. It's going to create the actual thing. So for example, if you're going to do a funnel with capture page, email sequence, webinars, and membership areas, or A/B split test, exit pop-up, if you are going to create a funnel with all those things, you can do that on the blueprint, so you have a different perception of your funnel. And when you click the button generate website, it's going to generate the whole thing for you, including the emails and everything, right? Then we have on Builderall, the Mailing Boss Autoresponder is a real powerful email marketing platform with a lot of features as well, a lot of automation stuff. And it's really good. It's delivering inbox all the time. And people who are using Mailing Boss now, they love Mailing Boss because it actually works, all right? Okay. Now, you know, Julio, we had one guy here in the United States, they said, man, I love Mailing Boss because I can actually deliver the spam inbox. Yeah, he's getting really good results with Mailing Boss, even sending like those spam emails. All right, then we have the App Creator. The App Creator is a tool for you to create apps. For iOS or Android, you're gonna be able to create an app, to publish the app, to put on App Store or Google Store, right? So it's really cool. Now, this thing about the App Creator, we are using the Siberian system, and I guess we are the only white label from Siberian who has all the modules, all the applications available on the App Creator, right? So for example, if you wanna use the Siberian system yourself, you should spend something like $10,000 or $15,000 to have access to all these models that we are offering you on Builderall. All right. So again, this is very powerful thing, the App Creator. Then we have the Magazine Editor. The Magazine Editor is a software that you can create real magazines or ebooks, and it's really cool. People can read this magazine online. They can download. They can have the PDF. They can read on their phones. It's really, really good, the magazine editor. And actually, it's awesome for you to capture leads, to create your authority. I'm going to show you something about the magazine. Then we have the e-commerce platform. This is really, really a big deal, guys. The e-commerce is a big deal. The e-commerce that we created on Builderall, we are using Magento. It's the Builderall e-commerce powered by Magento. Magento is the most powerful e-commerce you have on the planet. It's like really, really huge. It's big. It's working fine. It's like awesome. Coca-Cola has e-commerce on Magento, and there is other big companies who has e-commerce on Magento. But for you to create a Magento store, it's going to take like 1 week. You have to find the code, you have to download the code, you have to get a server, you have to install this code on the server, then you have to make work this code on the server. It's like really, really crazy. But here on Builderall, you can have your Magento store, like your own Magento installation with 2 clicks in like 1 minute. It's really, really powerful. And then like we simplify the whole thing. Anyone can have a Magento store right now, like in 1 minute with Builderall. You have the hosting, you have everything, and you can put like 10 products there. Doesn't matter. It's going to work same way. All right. Then you have the video tag tool. Video tag tool is a tool where you can upload the videos and put tags on the videos. So people can watch your video and you can have a call to action inside the video. As they are watching the video, they can press a button on the video and they can go to a website, or they can call you on FaceTime, or they can send you an email. It's up to you what you are going to do this video tag. Very, very powerful as well. We have the Mockup Studio. Mockup Studio is something really cool where you can actually create mockups. Like, for example, you have a beautiful website, and on that website, you have like a computer with your website on the computer. This is a mockup, right? So we have the mockup creator. We have the presentation studio for you to create presentations, just like Prezi, something like that, right? We have the photo studio. Photo studio is an application that you can actually create 3D or you can work on your pictures and make PNG, remove the background, you can make it rounded, you can put some filters, you can do really, really cool stuff with the photo studio. Then we have the animated videos for you to create videos or VSL, right? It's really, really cool, very powerful tool as well. We have the floating video. Floating video application, man, it's awesome. This is something that you can make a video of yourself with a one color wall behind, and then on the video you can remove the background. Then you're gonna have this guy on the website, like you can have the website and the guy walking on the website giving a welcome message or something like that. You know those websites that you go visit and you have just a person on the website without the background. This is the floating video, all right? And we have here on Builderall. Browser notifications, those little notifications that you see on your browser, we have on Builderall as well for you to, you can send emails, you can send browser notifications, you can send a WhatsApp message, you can send a SMS message. You can actually contact your lead in many, many ways on Builderall. Browser notification is really, really good. You know, when you are following someone on YouTube and this guy put a new video and you see the notification right there, this is the browser notification, all right? We have the SEO report. Is one tool that when you are done with your website, you can run your website on this tool, and then this tool is going to tell you what you have to make better to get a better or a perfect SEO, search engine optimization, all right? Then we have the click map. You can install on your websites as well, so you can see where your customers are going, clicking, putting the mouse and all those things. Have better data to position your buttons and everything, all right? We have the auto post is a tool where you can come here and you can do like 30 posts on your Facebook or your Instagram and stuff like that. And then you can schedule all the posts, and then during the whole month or year, you're gonna have all the posts going online automatically, all right? Okay. Facebook chatbot. Facebook chatbot, like it's the big thing now. Everybody is using Facebook chatbots for a lot of to capture leads, to nurture leads, to send a message. So you have our Facebook chatbot inside the Builderall platform. It's really, really good. It's like, I would say that would be by itself a ManyChat competitor, because we have almost everything that they have there. And it's really, really good. Then we have the Share Locker. It's an application where you can bring people to your website, but they have to share your website to see the content, right? So it's a tool to go viral or something like that. You have the e-learning platform. E-learning platform is a platform for you to give courses, right? So you can have inside Builderall a membership area. Membership area could be for you to download products, to see cool stuff, that, or to use on your business. It's a membership area. It doesn't have to be exactly like courses, right? You can have that on the site builder. But with the e-learning, it's a professional platform for you to create courses, right? And then you can do a lot of automation on this thing as well. Script generator is a tool that's going to help you to write your copy. It's really, really cool. It's really powerful. And then if you want to do a sales page, for example, or a VSL, a video sales letter, you can use the script generator to help you create this copy, all right? Social proof is the little pop-up that you see on some websites, like Sebastian just bought the product, Julio just a subscriber. You know, so this is social proof. You can put this on your website, and every time that someone take action on your website, is going to show pop-ups on your website. It's kind of social proof. Roulette is that application that some people use when you are leaving a website. You remove the mouse, you're going to have it's going to show up a roulette, and people give you the email. They go to the roulette and they get some discount or something like that. A lot of people use that in e-commerce, right? You have the WhatsApp messaging. So with your email form, you can collect the email, the name, and the phone, for example, right? Or the WhatsApp number. And then on Mailing Boss, on the automation, and on your campaigns, you can send your campaigns by email or by WhatsApp if you want it as well. Video Wrapper, it's that tool that you have the video and you have those subtitles on the video, you have something calling the attention on the video. You can put the video inside a box with a lot of content, images, and all those things. You see a lot of that on Facebook using the Video Wrapper, right? You have the Instagram autoresponder. Is a tool that every time that someone subscribes on your Instagram, they can receive a message from you, and you can do that with the Instagram autoresponder. For example, referring a website or promotion, something like that. SMS messaging, same thing as we have on WhatsApp. You can collect emails, names, and phone numbers, and then you can send an email message, or you can send a message on SMS, right? We have the very powerful webinar platform. With the webinar platform on Builderall, you can actually do a webinar, you can have an evergreen webinar, you can have a post audience, you can have the chat. So right now, we are doing this webinar on our platform, webinar, right? So the chat, the video, everything that you are seeing here is our own webinar platform. And you can use this platform to do videos streaming from YouTube, Facebook, or straight from the Builderall servers, right? So it's really, really cool. It's really powerful. You can build a webinar in 5 minutes. You have all the mails, you have all those things. Really, really cool, right? And since the webinar platform is integrated with our tools, you can actually do a webinar, and you, as people go through your webinar and they spend time on your webinar, you can put tags on these people. And then let's say you are doing a 1 hour webinar. You're gonna know who left your webinar in 10 minutes. Then you can send an email just for people who left your webinar in 10 minutes. You're gonna know who left your webinar in 30 minutes. So you can send a different email for people who left the webinar in 30 minutes. You will know who watched your webinar until the end. So you can send a different message for those people who watched the webinar until the end. So it's really, really powerful, the whole integration we have here, all right? Then we have the Sitebot. Sitebot is really cool because it's just like a messenger chat bot, but it's gonna be on your website. I'm gonna show you guys how that works. But the cool thing is you don't have the Facebook problem on the chatbot, right? It's on your website, so you can actually build your own customer support. You can build your own bot on your website, collect the leads, talk with people with this without the Facebook interference, right? And then we have the CRM. I'm going to show you guys how that works. The CRM is for you to collect data and actually work a little bit better with your leads. You're going to know everything that what's happening with your leads, and then you can automate email campaigns and all those things, right? And then I guess that's it. We have on the dashboard, So what's going to happen is when you come to the dashboard, you will see all those tools. Then you're going to choose the tools you wanted, okay? Once you choose the tools you wanted, you click here, go to the dashboard, and then it's going to open your new dashboard to Builderall 3.0. That's the dashboard. And you have all the tools here, right? This is a menu for your run your business or customize your dashboard just like I did it. Support, tickets, special stuff we have here, right? But the tools will be right here in the center of your page.